if you're using Camtasia and you're trying to speed up or slow down a video, but add clip speed is missing, don't worry, there's a simple reason this can happen. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do if you can't find add clip speed. The clip speed option is missing from properties, or you can't drag the clip speed effect onto your video. So first, I'll open my Camtasia project here. I already have a video clip on the timeline. And normally when you right click the video, you may expect to see an option called add clip speed, but in this case it's not there. If I check the properties panel on the right, there's also no clip speed control. Now another thing you might try is going to visual effects. You can see the clip speed effect here, but when I try to drag it onto the video, it doesn't work. So what's causing this? The video is currently packaged as Rev Media, so we first need to unpack it. To do that, simply right click the video clip and select the unpack Rev Media. This separates the packaged media into its individual components, which allows Camtasia to work with the actual video clip normally. After clicking unpack Rev Media, you'll notice that the single media element is now separated into multiple parts. Now select the actual video clip, right click it again, and this time you should see clip speed, and now the clip speed effect has been added to the video. You can adjust the speed directly on the timeline, drag the speed control upward to make that section play faster, or downward to make it play slower. And there's another option as well. If you go back to visual effects, you can now select the clip speed and drag it directly onto the video clip. So if add clip speed is missing in Camtasia, or the clip speed and drag it directly onto the video clip. So if add clip speed is missing in Camtasia, or the clip speed and drag it directly onto the video clips. And that's the fix. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more Camtasia and video editing tutorials.